You've seen Nissan dominate the tracks, but have you ever wondered about the cars that keep the race alive? These aren't your everyday vehicles, these are Nissan's support beasts, packed with secret tech, elite performance, and life-saving capabilities. Today, we reveal 5 legendary Nissan support cars and the untold stories behind them. Welcome to Fact-Finding Mission, the only place where every fact fuels your curiosity. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the top 5 Nissan support cars that are faster, smarter, and more heroic than you ever imagined. Car number 1, Nissan GT-R Safety Car, Super GT FIA GT. We're kicking off strong with the Godzilla of support cars, the Nissan GT-R Safety Car. Yes, the same GT-R that rips through streets now commands respect as the pace car in Super GT. Top speed over 300 km/h, equipped with FIA-grade radio and GPS. Modified suspension for sudden track entry. LED light bar that syncs with control room signals. Cool fact, in one incident at Fuji Speedway, this GT-R pulled a daring maneuver to block a potential pileup, earning it the nickname the Guardian Beast among race officials. Car number 2, Nissan Patrol Rescue Unit. Dubai Rally plus Safari events meet the Desert King, the Nissan Patrol Rescue Unit. This monster isn't just built to survive harsh terrain, it dominates it. Used in off-road rallies and desert marathons, this SUV is a lifeline when things go sideways. Reinforced suspension and underbody armor. Medical and rescue gear in the trunk. Roof-mounted drones for aerial support. 360-degree camera system for spotting hazards. Crazy fact, in the 2022 Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge, a patrol unit rescued 3 vehicles stuck in a sandstorm within 30 minutes before the helicopter team even arrived. Car number 3, Nissan Z Safety Car Formula. Drift local circuits. Style, speed, and agility. The Nissan Z Safety Car is the poster child of modern support cars. But don't be fooled by its clean curves. This thing is built to control chaos. Tuned exhaust system for visibility and sound alerts. Race-grade tires and lightweight upgrades. Modified ECU to match track conditions. Dual communication lines with race stewards. Unexpected fact, drift racers often follow the Z car's line in practice laps because it's so well balanced, it's practically giving out free cheat codes on the track. Car number 4, Nissan Navara Technical Support Truck. Asia Pacific rallies. Don't underestimate this rugged beast. The Nissan Navara support truck might look like a pickup, but it's a fully equipped mobile pit stop on wheels. Carries tools, spare tires, and even generators. Built-in hydraulic lift system. Climate-controlled cabin for injured racers. Anti-slip coating on bed for emergency repairs. Cool trivia, Navaras have been spotted doing tire changes on uneven jungle terrain in under 4 minutes. That's Formula 1 level speed in the wild. Car number 5, Nissan Leaf Support Unit Formula E. Going green doesn't mean going slow. The Nissan Leaf Support Unit plays a major role in electric racing. As Formula E grows, so does the Leaf's legacy. Zero-emission, quick-response vehicle. AI-powered diagnostic equipment on board. Real-time data syncing with Race HQ. Solar-powered auxiliary systems. Insane fact, during a Formula E event in Berlin, a Leaf unit helped recover a car silently without disrupting the live race or draining any fuel. That's futuristic support in action. So next time you're watching a race, don't just cheer for the lead driver, give a silent salute to these unsung Nissan heroes working behind the scenes, risking everything to keep the race alive. This was Fact-Finding Mission, where we turn every car into a story and every fact into a thrill. Hit that like button, share the mission, and subscribe, because we've only scratched the surface.